Okay, we already did this at the whiteboard. So what I'm going to do now is go to Sage. And I'm going to try to do this using Sage now. All right, just the computation part. Whoops, already got Sage running, right? So reset. I need to define those variables again. So ABC, uppercase, lowercase. There are 6 variables total. I'm going to now assign A to the number 3. 3 goes to A. 3.9 goes to B. Whoops, B equals 3.9, sorry. It's an assignment operator. 3.9. And let's see, letter C, that's lowercase c, it's a side, is 5.8. And then I'm going to assign the uppercase A to be 28.25. And remember, we got to get to radian mode. So we're going to convert that degree measure to radian. So times pi, we need to approximate pi. And we need to divide that by 180. All right, then what are we going to do? Well, I'm going to use the law of cosines first. And it's going to be C equals, and let's write this down, arc cosine. Again, some students say it's a lot of typing or it's too much letters in the problems, whatever, but let's write this down. So what's going to be? The top is a squared plus b squared minus c squared, and then we're going to divide it by the bottom. And the bottom is going to be, well, we're dividing by 2, we're dividing by a, and we're dividing by b. All right, so I hit return, and I'm going to just display C for you. Now, when I look at that, I'm wondering, what is that number? And it's not the number I have there. And the reason for that number there is in radian. So I'm going to convert it to degrees. So it would be C times 180 divided by pi, and I'm approximating pi. What number do we get? 113.8 approximately, but that's a much better approximation. I'm also going to use the law of cosines. And what I need to do is over here is understand that, the law of sines, I have to type this in now. And I don't think it's that bad to do, but I will type it in. So I'm going to say C equals, I can't use 180. What am I going to be using? I'm going to be using pi. I'm going to approximate that. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to subtract away that supplemental angle, which I'm calling C supplemental. That's arc sine. Arc sine of what? C star sine of A divided by side A. All right, hit return. You know what, I just noticed I made an error. I see it, that's an X and it should be a C. It's good to look back over your work before you hit the enter because there'll be an error. So I got the C, and I'll display it again for you. And the C is that number over there. Again, I'm looking at it, it's not the number that's there. Let's just convert it. So it's C star, the 180 divided by pi. And what do we get? We're getting the same result. So the take-home message that when we did this on the whiteboard is, the law of sines can be pretty difficult if you don't understand what you're looking at. Whereas the law of cosines, you might say, oh, it's just too many letters in the problem. I just kind of like the law of cosines, but that doesn't prevent me from using the law of sines, by the way. You have to use some kind of intelligence to be able to do that, though. Thank you.